stick with it. Yeah, I can do it. Even if I can't change what I'm thinking, I can at least get more perspective. And then maybe I can get a job.
My long-term goal is to move out.
I'm keeping it for once. Thanks, Dr. Thanks.
See you on Monday, right, Ed?
Monday.
Okay.
We've got coffee. Are we? Yeah, I can stop. That's nothing wrong.
Let me ask you something. What do women want?
I don't get it.
I mean, what is it with you people? I thought it was honesty, so I try to be honest. You come on, take a
The fuck's it doing? Like my eyes going like this.